A coalition of civil society organizations have raised alarm over the worrisome trend of sexual and gender-based violence against women in Nigeria. This is as the coalition petitioned the Inspector General of Police, Kayode Egbetokun, calling for a serious action against the crime. The group embarked on a road walk from the National Assembly to the force headquarters, Abuja, bearing various placards to drive home their demands.
No excuse, no violence. No excuse, no violence.
Speaking at the police headquarters, the chairman, Pentecostal Fellowship of Nigeria, FCT chapter, Pastor Isaac Komolafe, called for more voices against the menace, especially from the church.
We need to protect and respect our women and our girls. And there should be no excuse for violence against them anywhere, anytime. And let's empower them with skills. Many of the women that are in abusive situation, they remain there because they are not empowered economically. They were not given opportunity also to be able to stand on their own. So we are also appealing to the church and the pastors, imam and religious leaders to lead their voice on this.
Members of the coalition were received by the Inspector General of Police, Kayode Egbetokun, who assured of the police support in the fight against SGBV in Nigeria.
We must all come together and put our actions together to eradicate this unacceptable reality in the community. I want to assure you that we look at your petition and we will treat every point in the petition as expected.
The road walk by the CSOs is part of the activities to mark the 2024 International Day for Elimination of Sexual and Gender-Based Violence. CNN News.